there something on my bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something on my bag. Hi, little buddy. The king of the birds. The king of the birds. The king of the birds. Look at that. That is a sexy roller coaster. That's gonna be a very, very nice roller coaster, right?
Oh, I'm excited.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. Watcha! We are coming to you live from Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. It is the very first night of Christmas Town. Yeah! We are here thanks to a very good friend, to Felipe. Thank you, Felipe, for getting us media passes for tonight's opening night of Christmas Town. We got Christmas treats, we got Santa Claus, all that stuff, lights. We're here to ride some roller coasters at night. I'm here with my friend Justin. He's here as well. How you doing, Justin?
I'm alive.
You're live, yeah, seriously, long time no see. I haven't seen him on these videos in quite a while. We're excited to see it. It's a nice, kind of breezy day. I got my jacket on, and it's gonna get a little bit colder tonight, so I'm hoping we get that nice Christmas spirit. All the Christmas stuff starts at about 4 o'clock here at Busch Gardens, so we got here a little bit early so we could enjoy the park, because Justin hasn't been here for a while. So until that time comes, and they open up the gates to Christmas Town, we're gonna ride some rides and pet some birds. So let's go. Ah, come here. Hey. Hey, come on, you two. Go.
Oh, you got one in your backpack.
On my backpack? Guys, there you go. Have some. Oh, is it on my... Hold on. Yeah, let's trade, yeah. Come on, buddy.
Thank you, honey. That one's gorgeous.
Thank you. See, we're trading birds now, yeah. I love these birds. I love this. This is my favorite thing here.
Their tongues.
There they are, the gates to Christmas Town. They will open soon, and we'll be able to have some Christmas treats and some hot cocoa, or maybe some cold cocoa, because it's still kind of warm out right now, but we'll be nice and close to that beautiful, beautiful iron gwazi. I don't know if you could see it through the trees, but it's over there. I can see it. There it is. Oh yeah. Can't wait to get a good look at you. Oh, that is a big inflatable Santa drinking Coca-Cola specifically. I thought this was a Pepsi park. We're gonna head on in and meet Santa. Oh my gosh, there he is. Hello, Santa. Oh, hello, sir. Good to meet you.
Are you guys having fun today in the park?
Yes, we're having a great day. Oh, I love your setup here. It's very nice.
Very nice. A little bit of home brought down.
Yeah, awesome. A lot of presents here.
Oh, yeah.
Good stuff. Getting ahead of
We're
yourself.
up north. We're ready to come down.
Fair enough. Totally.
Have you guys been good this year?
We've been okay, as best as we could be
Best you
this
could?
year.
Yeah, it's a little rough. Different
Yeah.
year, so.
Hey, Santa! Happy holidays, Christmas Town! Woo!
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Oh, they got the Christmas Town ones over here. Hey, this looks very familiar, actually. Hold on. This is the Santa from Universal. I've been cheated because this one's cheaper. This one's $4 and $6 at Universal. What the? Wow. We met Santa Claus. Crazy. He's like in every theme park for some reason. Wow. Jeez Louise. You know, for a guy as busy as he is, he's got a lot of free time to go to these theme parks and just sit there. Behold, my friends, the great Blue Tarocco presenting himself to us on camera. Hello there, my friend. Greetings, Mr. Bird. You are very, very pretty. You like this microphone here up in your face? It's very fuzzy, I know. SheiKra is closed today. I don't know if it's like a seasonal maintenance thing or not, but I can't ride it. I love SheiKra. It's my favorite roller coaster here. But, I mean, it's getting a little darker. Some of the lights are on already. They look kind of cool. I'm excited to see this place like fully lit up, but the park doesn't seem too busy right now. Tigress is at a 5-minute wait and Justin's never been on.
I've never been on.
So we are gonna head over there right now. Luminous Lane. This area uses intense lighting effects that may not be safe for those with sensitivity to light. Oh, I really, really want to see this at night now because I hope this is very, very luminous. We are working to open this ride as quickly as possible. Oh no! Falcon Fury is closed. I wanted to ride it as the sun set, but it's having some technical issues. The catch car is coming all the way down very, very slowly to come pick it up, and hopefully it'll be fixed, but I think I don't want to stand around and wait for this 300 feet up in the air to reach that. Oh, look at this. These trees, they did a really good job putting lights in these trees. I'm very, very impressed. You know, it's funny. Last time I was here at Busch Gardens, right here at this spot, there was a killer bunny with a chainsaw staring at me, wanting to, I guess, eat my guts. And now it's a beautiful tree forest full of beautiful, wonderful Christmas trees. So it shows you kind of the duality of theme parks sometimes. Just one thing I need, and You know, we've been here for a little bit now, and the sun is starting to set here, so we're going to start to see everything all lit up. We're going to start to really kick in to Christmas Town here at Busch Gardens. But I feel like I haven't really talked about what is here. They've got all the characters, you know, Santa, Rudolph. We saw a couple princesses all around. There was like a Poncietta princess. There's like a Sugar Plum princess. They've got Christmas Town where all the food is. They've got a nice show, which we're going to try and check out. They've got a show called The Three Kings over by Falcon Fury, which I think maybe we'll check out. We'll try. But I know... Sorry, there's a roller coaster just shot by. Where'd they go? Oh, they're gone. We'll try and catch the We Three Kings show. We Three Kings? Isn't that like a band? We the Kings. That's the band. Yeah, that's the band. We'll try and catch that show if we have time, but I know I definitely want to see that Christmas ice skating show because I saw the ice skating show here in this theater over here a while back. Turn it up! And it was actually really cool. So I wouldn't mind seeing another ice skating show. And, you know, it's the holidays. It's Christmas time. Hello. It's Snowcone the Snowman. There you go. I read your name tag. Yes. That's awesome. I like your setup here. Very cool. For Snowcone the Snowman. Look at that lit up iron gauzy sign. That's an alligator, right? It's definitely an alligator. Look how cool that looks. This roller coaster is going to be amazing. I cannot wait. We have finally made it to Christmas Town, and it's lit in here. Very bright. Christmas Town is where we are gonna get our snack on. We're gonna eat some cookies and hopefully some like actual meals, not just cookies and hot cocoa, because then I'll get sick. I need like an actual food, you know. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that iron gwazi. How close can we get? Look at that. Wow. Look at that. How impressive. I'm so hyped for this roller coaster. Got the loaded mashed potato bowl. It's got chicken gravy, bacon bits, shredded cheese, fried onion. Oh my gosh. Well, I had some of it and it was pretty good. What is this, a sausage slider?
Sausage slider. It looks like it has some kind of baked beans on top.
It looks like, oh yeah, it smells pretty good. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. All right, we got the frozen hot cocoa. Now I know what some of you are thinking. What is frozen hot cocoa? Is it a milkshake? Is it ice cream? Is it actually hot cocoa that they made and then like froze it and then put it in a blender and it's like a hot cocoa icy? We're gonna find out. That's whipped cream. It's like frozen hot cocoa. You know, like, I mean, I guess it is what it is as advertised, but it's pretty good. Bam. Harvest, Cristo, slider, turkey, prosciutto, Swiss. Let's see how it goes. Socially distanced, by the way, no one around me. Focus on it. Yeah. Let's see. This is a lot. This is also not what I expected at all. When I saw your sausage slider and then this is completely different. Is that David Bowie?
I think you have on your chin.
What?
Like down further.
Oh, crap. It's a good thing Busch Gardens gave us a mask tonight to use. Hold on, I got it out of the bag. Ta-da! Does it look okay?
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, good. Thanks, Busch Gardens. All right, we got our seats here for the ice skating show, Christmas on Ice. There is like a set of VIP seats over here that you can get, but I don't know. I don't think anyone bought seats tonight. But we got a pretty good spot, so that's all that really matters to me. Very pretty. I like this area. I think they did a pretty solid job with the lights. Using this Coca-Cola thing as a light for this video, but I have a theory that the spins that these ice skaters do are very impressive to look at, but they might be very easy to do because like all of them did it, which I'm not really complaining because like it's cool to see them spin really, really fast like that. But like maybe I could do it if I got on ice skates, maybe. But yeah, the show was fun. It was cool. If you ever watched Blades of Glory, it's kind of like that, I guess. Tigress at night is the coolest thing ever. They have all these like Christmas lights on it, so while you're like going up and down and stuff like that, you see everything. It's so cool. You guys, come on. I am going to show you guys Tigress at night. I'm going to grab the GoPro and hop on. You got to see this. This is so cool. This tunnel's really cool. It's synced to the music really well, and it gets really, really bright, turns out.
Christmas lights shining bright, what a sight. I wanna feel this way every day of my life. Oh, I can hear the bells ringing out loud, and it sounds like it's almost Christmas. I feel like I'm 8 years old again.
All right, we got to keep going because if not, I'll be in this tunnel forever. But this is so cool. This is really, really impressive. Awesome for photos, I would say. Perfect for photos. This is so cool. There's nothing that satisfies me more than getting a good YouTube thumbnail or Instagram picture. If that is what you are looking for, that little tunnel over there that we just went through, you can totally get that there. That was really, really cool. Hey, that was really cool too. That was awesome. You know, we've been here at this Christmas event and we've seen a lot and we've had a pretty great time so far, but it was like something was definitely missing. Like there's something we haven't seen yet, and obviously it's the tree. There it is, folks. That's one of the trees. I know there's one at the front as well, but look how pretty it is. That's roller coaster here, folks. Are you satisfied? Because I'm satisfied. I had a pretty satisfying day. Justin, are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was great. Christmas Town at Busch Gardens was a pretty solid time. You know, Santa Claus, Rudolph, Christmas snacks, ice skating, some awesome lights. It was a really, really solid time. But for me, my favorite thing always about Busch Gardens special events is that the park is open till nighttime and you get to ride roller coasters at night, and that to me is such a rare experience. And Busch Gardens has some of the best roller coasters in Florida, so being able to do them at night, and then also like during Christmas time, like all the trees are lit up and the whole park is lit up, so like you're flying through the sky and you're looking at all the lights. That is a really, really cool experience. So that's my angle. That's what I like about it. And I think, you know, if you're like me, that's what you'll like about it too. But with that being said, that's all I really got. So hey, thank you guys for watching VincentVision. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of my videos. Come to Christmas Town, come to Busch Gardens. It's never a bad time. Today, it wasn't very busy. I mean, obviously expect it to be busy on like Christmas time and New Year's, but this is the first weekend of Christmas time. I'm expecting like the beginning of December to be kind of slow. This wasn't too bad. I think you guys will have a really, really solid time. The music got loud, so we're gonna wrap it up somewhere else. Okay, this is a lot better actually, this here. Anyway, what was I saying? Right, yeah, come to Christmas Town. You wanna ride roller coasters at night. You wanna have some Christmas snacks. You wanna meet Santa Claus, have a good time, go for it. That's all I got. So thank you guys for watching VincentVision. There's kids running around playing, but come on, it's a theme park. How can I be mad? Have a good night, everybody. Time to drive back to Orlando and, oh, come on, I'm sweaty. I don't know why I wore this jacket. I thought it was gonna get cold, but it didn't get cold. Oh well, bye-bye guys.